Hello friends, in this video we'll be answering a very important question that often comes in mind of the beginners. Can we sell a single photo across different stock photography agencies? So let's jump right in. Now we need to understand why this question comes in mind, because we often are scared or we fear that there might be some copyright issue if we upload one photo from, say, Shutterstock. If you upload the same photo in Shutterstock, if you upload that into Adobe Stock or say Dreamstime, there might be a clash and all my accounts might get banned. Well, to answer you, never. It's never gonna happen, and that is why I always encourage you all and every one of my subscribers to upload the same photo across multiple agencies. But you need to keep one thing in mind, that is the type of agencies where you are uploading and the type of contract you are signing. So you need to understand there are two type of contracts. Number one, exclusive contract. Exclusive contract means if you are uploading in an agency, for example Getty Images, then that agency in their contract will have a written clause that you cannot upload the same photo in any other agencies. But mind it, Getty Images is an agency where you cannot directly sign up, you only get invited if you are a pro. So for all the beginners, we are uploading mainly in Shutterstock, which is a total non-exclusive agency. Means it actually wants or actually does not have any problem if you upload the same photo to other agencies. So when I started uploading my photos in Shutterstock. iStock, which is a agency by Getty Images, but it is a non-exclusive contract agency by default. Adobe Stock, again non-exclusive. Dreamstime, Deposit Photos, all non-exclusive. Pond 5 non-exclusive, 123 RF non-exclusive, right? So if you upload your photos in all these agencies, you will not have any problem at all. But you should remember, in iStock and Dreamstime there is an option to contribute exclusively. What are the benefits? You will get twice the amount of commission that you get in normal sales. But as a beginner, I found that statistically you are in much advantage if you actually upload your photos in Shutterstock and all other non-exclusive agencies, because you get much more income. Right now only iStock may be worth it for right now only iStock may be worth it for exclusive contract, but still I never recommend, and I personally upload all my photos across all other agencies. I have already uploaded a video regarding how you can go exclusive in Dreamstime and how that is actually not good compared to non-exclusive contract, and uploading that same photo in all other non-exclusive agencies. Also, I have got a detailed video where I have listed down the agencies which are non-exclusive and which are exclusive, and you can find the link of that video in the description. But to start with, the answer to this question is really simple. Yes, you can and you should upload your photo, same photo, across all agencies, and you should wait, because you can get lucky in one agency where in the other agency that same photo might not be selling. Personally, I have many examples where a photo is best selling in Shutterstock, but it has not sold once even any other agency, whereas a single photo that has not sold even once in Shutterstock is doing very well in iStock and Adobe Stock. So it is my personal suggestion, you upload across all agencies. For starting, you should start with Shutterstock, iStock and Adobe Stock, and gradually you increase as your workflow increases, as you devote more time, you can venture into all other agencies that I have linked in my video description, and you can upload and build a strong portfolio across all other agencies. Personally, right now I upload in 10 agencies and I get consistent income from all those agencies. Some are high, some are low. Here you should keep in mind that if you are using Wirestock, that behaves as an exclusive agency. Wirestock is an uploading platform to all other agencies. You see, via Wirestock you can upload the same photo into Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, etc. So if you upload that same photo from your own personal account again, then there will be a copyright issue and both of your account will get banned. So for Wirestock, you need to be a bit careful, and you cannot upload the same photo that you upload in Wirestock personally into any other agencies. Other than that, you are always good to go, and I always recommend you upload and increase your exposure across all agencies. Personally, you can check my monthly income. I always upload my monthly sales video at the end of the month to motivate you guys. And if you have watched this video till now, please type the code word non-exclusive in the comment section, and I will know you are watching this video till now. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.